everybody, today we're going to be making lemonade with pickle juice. Alright, let me start with lemonade. I'm only going to put a little because I'm trying this out. I saw it on TikTok. Basically, I'm just going to pour a little bit of lemonade. I think that should be good. And then I'm going to put more. Because we're going to add a teaspoon of pickle juice. And I don't like pickle juice or pickles. They're clinking together. Alright. Try it. I don't like it. Ooh, it was pickle in my mouth. It was pickle in my mouth. I don't like it. On the scale of 1 to 10, I'd rate it a 2. All right, bye everybody.